Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best Kweida water dispenser on the market, the cozy BlueWater Dispenser. If you're tired of struggling with heavy water bottles or complicated dispensers, this sleek, portable water bottle pump is designed to make your life easier and more convenient. The cozy BlueWater Dispenser is crafted with safety and functionality in mind. It features a high-density ABS plastic body paired with a food-grade silicone tube, ensuring that the water you drink stays pure and free from any harmful chemicals, as it is completely BPA-free. This attention to material quality means no toxic substances and no unwanted smells, making it ideal for everyday use at home, the office, or even outdoors. What really sets this dispenser apart is its USB rechargeable battery. Inside, there's a powerful 1200 mAh lithium battery that, once fully charged, can pump water from 4 to 6 5-gallon bottles before needing a recharge. That's roughly a month of usage, so you won't be constantly plugging it in. The rechargeable feature also makes it super portable, so whether you're camping, picnicking, or just need water on the go, you're covered. This dispenser is universally compatible with most water bottles, fitting neck sizes of about 2.16 inches, which covers 2, 3, 4, and 5-gallon bottles. That means you don't need to worry about finding a special bottle. If it's a standard size with a screw cap, this pump will work with it. The installation is incredibly simple. Just attach the silicone tubing, fasten the pump to the bottle, and you're ready to go. No lifting, no flipping. Just press a button, and fresh water starts flowing. Speaking of buttons, the cozy BlueWater Dispenser includes an intelligent automatic shut-off feature. This means you can press the pump to dispense a measured 600 milliliters of water, and it will automatically stop pumping. This helps prevent spills and wastage, keeping your usage efficient and eco-friendly. The design is compact and elegant, measuring just around 6 inches in height and length, making it easy to store or carry around. It's lightweight too, weighing only about 10.5 ounces, so it won't weigh down your bag or countertop. The build quality feels durable and premium, with a smooth metallic finish that gives it a modern look while maintaining robustness. Another important aspect is hygiene. Since this pump avoids using stainless steel pipes and relies on high-grade materials that are easy to clean, it reduces the chance of bacterial buildup. This is great for maintaining the freshness and safety of your drinking water over time. For power, it's a battery-powered electric dispenser, so you don't need to worry about plugging it into an outlet constantly. This makes it ideal for places without easy access to power sockets. Plus, the USB charging cable included is compatible with most USB chargers, so you can use your phone charger, power bank, or even a laptop to recharge it. In summary, the cozy BlueWater Dispenser combines safety, convenience, and smart design into a portable water pumping solution that is perfect for any household or outdoor activity. It eliminates the hassle of heavy water bottles, offers easy one-touch operation with an auto shut-off feature, and boasts a long-lasting rechargeable battery. If you want a reliable, safe, and stylish water dispenser that works with all standard-sized water bottles and offers portability, this product should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.